everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync Geometry Dash account on multiple devices. So for step number one is you just have to launch your Geometry Dash and go to the settings menu. From there, just find the account settings section where you can manage your login, registration, and cloud save options. Next is create or log into your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on register and create a username and password. But if you already have an account, you can simply click on login with your credentials. Next is after logging in, just tap on save button to back up your progress data to the cloud. So you will see a loading screen bar as your icons or levels and stats are uploaded to RobTop servers. Next is on your other device, you can install Geometry Dash and go to account settings, log in with the same username and password that you used on your first device. So just make sure that you take note on what your username and password. Lastly is after logging in, on the new device, you can tap on load button to download your saved progress. So all your icons, levels, stars, and achievements will be restored. So it's easier for you to just switch devices. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!